Hi guys,
Hi,
it's Kimmy.
it's Eric.
Welcome back to our channel. We're gonna do another review today.
On a product we found very useful for our house.
Yes, and we've actually had it for a few months. We got it in June.
Yeah, so like pretty much 1 month after we got the house.
Yeah.
We'll tell you why soon. We'll first tell you what it is. So what it is the Aladdin garage door opener, which allows you to open your garage from anywhere in the world as long as you have Wi-Fi or data through an app. This app allows you to open and close your garage door from anywhere pretty much, and there are a lot of benefits to that, which we'll mention later. So all you do is hit open and the garage door will open. And then it also lets you know if your garage door is open or closed, when it opened or closed, and a history.
You can also close it, not just open it.
Yeah. Okay, so the full name is Genie Aladdin Connect. It's a smart garage door opener. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant.
That
Which,
we actually haven't tried yet.
Yeah. We actually never really needed to do that.
No.
So why do we get it, Kenny?
So Eric lived in condos before we moved to this house. So he's used to parking in the garage, opening and closing.
What does that have to do with the condo? Any house has a garage.
I lived in a house with my parents and I parked out on the street, so I never had to close the garage. So when I would go to work, I'd forget to close the garage door sometimes. So we would text our neighbor to come and close it for us, and he'd have to run and jump over the sensor so the door can close.
Yeah.
So Eric was like, well, there's got to be something we can connect to the machine. What machine is it
The
called?
garage door
The
opener?
garage door opener, so that we can close it from anywhere. And this is how we found this product, and we actually really like it, so we wanted to share with you guys.
And we did have to use it before because she did forget after too.
Yes, and I closed it
Yeah, that's,
with the app.
yeah, so this is solely for that purpose, in case one of us forgets to close the garage door opener.
But we also use it, instead of having to lock our front door, we go out through the garage to walk our dogs, and we just use the app to close the door, and then when we get back from our walk with the dogs, we just open up with the app again. So we don't have to carry the keys around or anything.
Exactly.
Just our phones, which is what we're all glued to anyways.
Yeah, so it's also very useful if you have friends or family coming over and maybe you're not home and they need to get in. You go open the garage door, you know when it's open and closed, and they just walk in, and then they can close it after, or you can close it after. Or if you want, you trust your mailman, you can have packages dropped off. You just open the garage, and then they just drop out the package. Once they leave, you just turn it off. Yeah.
Close it, not turn it off.
Yeah, close it. But I guess that works better with if you have a camera in the garage. We have Wise camera, so that helps us let us know what, we can see what's going on.
What's going on.
After the mailman leaves, we can close it.
Yeah. But we haven't had to do that yet, but just an option.
So we bought off on Amazon. It's $49.99. It is a little bit pricey.
But worth it.
Yeah, it's really worth it. Very, very useful. And then garage door openers these days have this function. A lot of the Genie machines come with this now, but this allows you to connect it to any garage door opener. So you can use it to your old one, so you don't have to rebuy a new one just to have an app to use it, which is it's compatible with almost all of the garage door openers.
Yeah, because originally Eric bought a keypad to try and open your parents' garage door, but that's not compatible with all garage door openers, but this one is.
Yeah, that one didn't work out, so we got this one, which is actually more convenient too. Yeah. And now we're going to show you how to set it up, which is also pretty simple for the most part, but
yeah, we'll show you.
Yeah. So here's what it looks like. You have two ways to connect this. You can either connect it directly to the machine, or you can replace your original garage door opener, as this button opens and closes the garage. So one important thing to mention is this has to be near a Wi-Fi router. So if it doesn't have Wi-Fi nearby, it will not work. So after you connect it to the machine, on the back here, you can choose which one you want to connect it to. So you can have multiple doors. If you had two garages that you wanted to open that were next to each other, you can connect both to one machine. So on the app, it will show which garage is which, and you just connect it accordingly to which one you want. So like right here, it says door 1, door 2, and door 3. So you can connect up to 3 for one. So after you connect it onto here, the instructions is pretty simple. So we actually just put it right on top of the machine because I don't know, it's pretty easy. So we just leave it up there and it just kind of does its thing.
So it came with 2 pieces. It came with the one we put above the garage door opener, and then it comes with this piece as well. And this piece is a sensor. It tells you if the door is open or closed. And what we did is it came with double-sided tape, but it also told us to screw it in. But all we did was put the double-sided tape, and it actually stayed, and it's been there for almost 6 months. So I think you don't need to unless it falls off, then you should screw it in. So on the app, you can give your information to anybody. So Eric has it, I have it, and our roommate actually has it. So we can all open from the app the garage door. You can also add members where what do we do?
You can set certain rules. Let me start off by saying what rules are. So rules are you can have the door open at certain times. So for example, you can create a rule that to have the garage door open from like let's say 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So you just put like during time range, for example, during time range, and then you can put like if it's open, you want it closed, or you want it open from like how it shows on the screen from 4:02 to 5:02. That way it'll stay open within those times, or it can be like if it's open for more than 5 minutes, you can have it closed by itself. So you know, in case you forget to close your door, it can self-close after a certain amount of time. And there's also rules for operated by users. So for example, if you set a rule on Kimmy that she can't open it between the certain time, it won't allow her to open it. That's what I think. I never tried it, but it says that's what it seems like it would be. Yeah, so you can set those rules, which are pretty cool, and you can set rules for certain people as well. We haven't tried that, so we're not exactly sure what you're allowed to do with that. And as well, it also shows you like the history, lets you know when it was open and stuff and who did it, as you can see here. So Sugilu, that means it was open from the app. Other than that, it just shows when the garage door opens and closes. And it also shows you the status. So right now, the door is closed, and then you just pushed open and open the garage. Alright guys, so that's our review for the Aladdin Genie Smart Garage Door Opener.
And we're going to talk about another product next time that we got that coincides with the garage door opener. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah, they're a good combo.
Yes. And we'll have the garage door opener link down below if you guys are interested in it. We really like it. We just wanted to share it with you guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a big like.
And subscribe.
Leave us a comment if you have any questions. And that's it.
See you next time.
Bye.
Ooh.